I got this MI set it up and it's standing over here. So that's the TV. So right below that, I'll probably remove the Oneida center speaker very soon. So this is the key configurations in this sound speaker, and you can see that there's two slots for this one is the headphone or the AUX slot, and these two are basically for connecting your audio ports, like the white and red. Yellow is for video, so we don't have video over here, and this is for connecting your SF diff. So basically that comes from your TV, if your TV supports it. I don't have it. I have optical cable, so I'm using the optical connection for it, and that's the power slot. And you have a small switch over here, which is basically to turn it on and off. And you got a nice and comfortable seats over there, so you can keep your stuff on it. And that's the screw for wall hanging type if you're putting it against the wall. That's about it. And you see over here on this corner is basically the cloth which is given here for the sound to pass through. So I can go maximum volume, I can go minimum volume, but there is no indication for it, like whether I've reached minimum or the maximum. There is no indication to it. That's kind of uncomfortable. And this light actually comes over here because of the poor build quality. I can see that it's a very plastic build quality. And the light over here comes in this one as well. So you will notice it when I turn off the light, when I get to the home theater mode. And you can see there is no indication for the plus and minus as well. And it's pretty you can feel the cheapness of the keys over here when you press it. So yeah, I got it for $4,999, so that's a bargain. So I don't really care about the cheapness of the build quality, because we know what we are shopping for. So we'll just come back to you on the sound clarity. Okay, so now I've just turned it off. As you can see, the light on the right side is traveling towards the left as well. I'm trying to focus it so that you can see it. You can see that there. So it's not focusing. Okay, so that's because there's no light to focus on. So it's very dark. It's 12 p.m. Around 1ish, but still I just made it dark as much as I can by covering all the windows and stuff. Right now the volume is 0, both on the TV as well as on this one. The good thing about this is that you can have two volumes, one from the TV and as well as from this volume. Those two volumes can be simultaneously coming out, because it is using an optical cable. So the audio is shared between these two guys, so you can use audio from the TV as well as the audio from here. Now I'm just gonna turn up the volume. So this is the TV volume. So I'm just gonna go behind. So that's it's a 3D movie, so please don't mind the visuals. Now I'm just gonna go up on the sound speaker. So I'm just going to go back to that same scene which we just left. So it's a Blu-ray one, so that I can just play you back from how we got it. It's much better. Sound is 0. I feel the sound is very less. I feel like sound is very less for home theater. So if I'm gonna use these beasts, they're gonna create a lot of volume. They're gonna like get the whole society looking at me. That's your maximum. Yeah, that's the maximum I can go.